while we're here, right?
Yeah. I don't know why I failed that test. It just was really hard.
Okay, well now we're gonna go study. I'll be back and finish the phone call. Dang it, Eli, that's the fifth time this week. We're gonna get you some popcorn. My son Eli has been starting fires lately and I don't know what to do. I think he's a pyromaniac.
Well, I need to ask some questions before I can give you an accurate answer to if he is a pyromaniac. How long has this been going on?
The first time I caught him was about a year ago, but it's gotten so confused I needed to get him to the hospital.
Does Eli have any contact with his father?
His father died 2 years ago. He was a firefighter.
I'm sorry to hear that. Eli, have you ever tried to harm someone or something when starting a fire?
No.
Why do you like starting fires?
I don't know. It just makes me feel better when I start fires.
When do you like to set fires on fire?
Most of the time whenever I'm like feeling sad or down.
How long have you been starting these fires?
Since my dad died.
How do you feel when you think about your dad?
I get sad and I get like nervous and anxious and I don't know how to stop it.
Does burning things help you feel better when you are sad and nervous?
Yeah, but only for a little bit. I burn things a lot more now than I used to.
Based off of Eli's symptoms, it looks like I can rule out arson and conduct disorder because he's not trying to hurt anyone. He doesn't have violent intentions and uses fire as a coping mechanism to deal with his father's death.
His father was a firefighter. Do you think that has anything to do with him starting fires?
Possibly. Some symptoms of a pyromaniac consist of not being able to fight the urge to start fires and using fire to curb feelings of severe anxiety. Eli, is it almost impossible to not start a fire when you are feeling anxious or nervous?
Yes, I try really hard, but like my brain won't like let me stop it. It's like I have to do it.
Are there any other mental illnesses Eli has been diagnosed with?
Not that I know of. Why?
In order to be diagnosed with pyromania, the patient can't have any mental illnesses.
Is there anything you can do to help him?
I'm going to refer you to my colleague Connor, who can help your son. I will set you up an appointment tomorrow 7. Does that work?
Yes, thank you.
Ready? Hi, you're guys together, right?
Yes, my name is Jana, and I'm here with my son.
Nice to meet you. I'm going to start by just telling you some of the treatments and
Louder.
medications and therapies you like.
That's good.
Yeah, some of the medication, however, it will only stop the symptoms, somewhat causing it, but he'll have to take it for the rest of his life.
Okay, well, what are the symptoms we're trying to cure?
The main things are his anxiety and depression, but that's about it.
What's the name of the medication?
Well, I recommend Valium for anxiety, Prozac for depression, and the other one that I'd like you to try, which has been used in just a recent study, is it's Prozac. Sorry.
What's that?
Prozac, it was a drug that was used in a recent study with a patient suffering from an extreme case of pyromania. Called the real drug itself is called coke, actually, and which is an anticonvulsant that treats anxiety and depression, so it's much easier.
Okay, that sounds good.
And of course, you'll be taking this with some therapy. We'll try and do that more of, and that'll be behavioral therapy, by the way. And if you don't think that's working, I have 2 others that you can try.
And what are the other alternatives?
Well, the first one is family therapy, and I think that'd be better than the other one. And as a last resort, you can try group therapy. But now to the actual session, I'd like to start by taking Eli to a fire station. If you guys could do that by yourselves, and just ask one of the firemen to explain just what the dangers of fire are.
Okay, I can do that. And you want Eli to start
Yeah, I'll give him a month's subscription or prescription, and we'll see you next week.
Thank you for your